Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 4 of Learning How to Crochet. In this episode we're learning the triple crochet stitch. This stitch I've never used a lot of, but it's a good one to know if you want to crochet some hearts and things like that. You will use it. So we'll need a ball of yarn, pair of scissors and a crochet hook. Let's get started by finding the end of our yarn and making a slip knot, and then we're going to do 14 chain stitches. Try not to make the chain stitches too tight, a bit loose. I always do it too tight. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's make a triple crochet. We're going to wrap the yarn around our crochet hook 2 times and place our crochet hook in the 5th chain from our hook. Wrap the yarn around and pull through. Wrap the yarn around our hook again, pull through those first 2 loops. Wrap the yarn around again, pull through the second 2 loops. Wrap the yarn around again and pull through the last 2 hoops. And there you've made your first triple crochet stitch. We're going to wrap the yarn around again and go into our next chain to the end of the row, which will have 10 triple chain stitches. And we'll see you at the end of the row. So we've made it to the end of our first row of triple chain stitches. We're going to make a 4 chain at the end of this row and turn our work over. Don't forget that 4 chain acts as your first crochet stitch for each row. now learned how to do the triple crochet stitch. If you're not confident with it, keep practicing. You'll get there, I promise. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.